I've translated my dad's book. I still have a couple of chapters to go. And my kids and grandchildren, they wanted to be able, so I started it a few years ago. And it's an easy book to translate, but I hate translation. It is creative in a sense. I mean, you learn to translate. Like in the beginning, I was trying to do it word for word, and it's really impossible. I mean, knowing how my father spoke and his attitude, in Yiddish, sentences can be a paragraph long. In English, they become run-on, and after a while you develop more the tone that he had rather than the exact words.